In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove line break on Wix. If you've ever added text to your Wix site and noticed that a word suddenly jumps down to the next line, making your heading or paragraph look awkward, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through a simple way to fix those unwanted line breaks, and I'll also show you an alternative method if adjusting the text directly doesn't quite give you the look you want. First, let's get into the Wix editor. Start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on your site's dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Setup, or the main area where you manage your site. From there, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This will open the Wix site editor, which is where you can make all of your design and content changes. When the editor loads, navigate to the page and section that contains the text you want to fix. Find the specific text box with the awkward line break. Click directly on that text box and then choose Edit Text. This will allow you to place your cursor inside the text and make changes. Now place your cursor right before the word or character that has shifted onto the next line. On a Windows keyboard, press the backspace key, and on a Mac, press the delete key. Gently tap the key until the text pulls back up and the two lines merge into one smooth line. Be careful not to over-delete. You just want to remove the extra spacing or invisible break that's causing the line to wrap in a strange place. If adjusting the text like this doesn't give you the look you want, or if the line break is happening simply because the text box is too narrow, there's another easy option. Click the text box again to select it and look for the small handles on the left and right sides of the box. Click and drag one of these side handles outward to make the text box wider. As you stretch the box, you'll see the text automatically reflow, and often that awkward line break will disappear as the words have more room to fit on a single line. Once the text looks clean and balanced, click outside the box to deselect it, review your page, and you're done. That's all it takes to remove an unwanted line break on Wix.